Hey there! Ever looked at your backyard and thought, this space could be so much more? Maybe a cozy lounge zone, a fire pit area, or even a backyard bar. Well, what if I told you there's a way to design all of it visually easily and in 3D without hiring a pro or struggling with clunky tools? Stick around, because this backyard design tool might just become your new favorite creative sidekick. Today, we're diving into how you can plan your dream backyard using Foyr Neo, an all-in-one interior and exterior design software that's beginner-friendly, fast, and super visual. No need to imagine how things might look. You'll actually get to see it. Everything starts with a blank canvas. In Foyr Neo, it's easy to either upload an existing floor plan or draw a custom layout from scratch. Using the wall tool, start outlining the space. Whether it's a rectangular yard, an L-shaped corner, or a narrow strip, measurements can be added manually for precision. Want a 25 by 20 feet square lawn area? Simply type it in, and Neo takes care of the rest. Already have trees, a fence, or a deck in place? Those can be added using ready-made objects from the library, keeping the design realistic from the beginning. Next up, creating zones. Backyards aren't just about grass. Think fire pit corner, seating zone, barbecue area, or even a mini pool. With Foyr Neo, different areas can be easily marked out. Drag, drop, and label each space to match the vision. Whether it's a dining zone under string lights, or a lounging area with a pergola. Want to build an outdoor workspace, or a yoga deck? Just draw the shape, assign materials, and done. Now it's time to bring the backyard to life with elements that matter. This is where it gets fun. Choose from 60,000 plus ready-made 3D models. Outdoor sofas, dining sets, fire pits, swings, pergolas, even garden sculptures. Just drag and drop into place. Resize, rotate, and move around until it feels just right. There are also landscaping elements, like planters, pathways, grass patches, and flower beds, so everything feels natural and curated. Looking for a modern vibe or a cozy cottage feel? Styles and finishes can be changed in a few clicks. Want a wooden deck? Or maybe stone pavers for the walkway? Neo lets you experiment with all kinds of materials. Wood, marble, tile, grass, even gravel. Just click on a surface and pick from the library. No guessing what it will look like. Everything updates in real time. It's a perfect way to try different combinations before committing in real life. Don't stop at the big stuff. Add string lights, spotlights, or lanterns to set the mood. Lighting in Neo isn't just decorative. It actually shows how the space will feel from sunrise to sunset. Planning an evening hangout zone? Add some ambient lighting and preview it before setting anything up in real life. Once the layout and decor are done, switch to 3D mode. Take a walk through the backyard, rotate the view, and explore it like walking through the real space. Need to tweak the layout? Or try another furniture style? Everything updates instantly. No lag, no wait. This real-time view makes it super easy to catch mistakes or spark new ideas. When the design feels perfect, it's time to hit render. Neo creates high-quality images of the backyard that look incredibly real. With rendering options up to 4K and even 12K, the visuals are so sharp and detailed, they feel like actual photos of your dream space. These ultra-high-definition renders can be used to show clients, contractors, or simply saved as personal reference before starting the actual makeover. The level of detail in every corner makes the design feel almost tangible, helping you see exactly how everything will look in real life. Designing a backyard doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With tools like Foyr Neo, it becomes a fun, visual process that anyone can enjoy, even without a design background. Need extra help or want to take your design to the next level? Foyr also offers professional design services to help you with anything from a quick consultation to complete design solutions. Whether it's guidance on color schemes, material choices, or a full 3D walkthrough, we've got you covered. So if you're ready to turn your backyard into a stunning oasis, Foyr Neo is the way to go. That's it for today's backyard design guide. With Foyr Neo, the possibilities are endless, and bringing your dream backyard to life has never been easier. Excited to bring your dream backyard to life? Head over to Foyr Neo and start designing your perfect outdoor space today. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.